Doing the Kinetics Lab. So what I've got here is 1 molar, 2 molar, and 3 molar hydrochloric acid. As a first step, I'm going to measure out 15 milliliters of my 1 molar hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to pour until I get close to the 15 line, and then I'm going to use my pipette to get the bottom of the meniscus at the 15. Then I'm also going to get a stopwatch out and get ready to time this. Okay, because what I want to do is measure how much time it takes for the magnesium to fully react with the hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to get, if I can get the Ziploc bag open, the hardest part of the lab apparently. There we go. Now we're making an assumption in this lab because we are going to, the amount of magnesium that we're using is too small for our scales to read, but 2.5 centimeters of magnesium is 0.044 grams. So I need to cut 3 pieces of magnesium. So I've got a ruler here and I'm just cutting 3 even sizes. Oops, the strip gets a little skinny. That was a weird strip. I'm going to do this one more time just because I want to make sure that I'm accurate. Actually, what I'll do is once I have one piece, I'll line it up so that I make sure that the other 2 pieces are the same size when I cut. So I need 3 equal size pieces of the magnesium. Morning. Some people are in class early this Friday. They're getting a preview of next week's lab. Okay, then we're going to do the reactions in a small beaker. And so you're going to pour the acid in. This is the 1 molar. And as soon as I add my magnesium strip, I'm going to start my timer. Go. And what I see happening here is I see the magnesium strip bubbling and starting to kind of scoot around on the surface. And I also see what looks like some steam or vapor coming up from this reaction as well. So it's still reacting. I'm not going to press stop on my stopwatch until the strip is completely fully reacted, so you won't see it anymore in there. Turn this. It's hard to get a good view of this on the camera. Still reacting, still reacting. I'm going to keep an eye on that, and I'm going to be efficient for this video. And I'm going to rinse out my graduated cylinder. And the next one I'm going to start to get ready is the 2 molar hydrochloric acid. So I'm still keeping an eye on my magnesium strip over there. Starting to dwindle down a little bit, but I'm also getting my 15 milliliters ready for my next experiment. Magnesium strip is tiny now, and it's gone. By gone, I mean the magnesium has reacted and gone into the solution. So that was 79.7 seconds. Okay. All right. This is okay to be rinsed down the drain. So I'm going to do that and get ready for the 2 molar. So I'm adding my 2 molar acid to my beaker. I'm going to reset my stopwatch, and I'm going to add my next strip of magnesium. Go. I'm noticing that right away there's even more vapor coming out, and it's like moving faster, and there's bigger bubbles. While I'm waiting, I'm going to rinse out my graduated cylinder and measure out my 3 molar. Oh, I should have been paying closer attention. It's almost gone. There's a tiny little bit, and that's gone. So that was, we'll call it 28.9 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to rinse this out for my 3rd reaction. which I haven't even gotten to finish pouring out since that last one went so fast. But this is my 3 molar. Getting down at eye level to make sure I get exactly 15 mils. Clean out my beaker a little bit better. And I'm going to reset my stopwatch. And go. This time I don't know if the camera is picking up the sound, but you can actually hear it because it's bubbling so crazy. And it's gone. 14.2 seconds. So that is the data collection part of the lab.